From the moment we opened our eyes to the world, we began experimenting. It's in our nature to question, to probe, to push the boundaries of the known. This innate curiosity has led us to incredible breakthroughs, unraveling the secrets of the cosmos and the very building blocks of life itself. But sometimes in our quest for knowledge we journey down paths that are unconventional, to say the least. In this series we're diving deep into the annals of scientific exploration, unearthing 10 of the most unusual experiments ever conducted, experiments that challenged ethical boundaries, plumbed the depths of human psychology, and sought to unlock the universe's most tightly held secrets. Fasten your seatbelts and prepare to have your perceptions challenged, because the pursuit of knowledge, as we're about to discover, can be a strange and wondrous journey. Imagine transforming an ordinary basement into a simulated prison, complete with cells and guards. Now populate it with college students, randomly assigned as either inmates or wardens. This was the premise of the Stanford prison experiment, conducted in 1971. What unfolded in those simulated confines shocked the world. The experiment, intended to last 2 weeks, was shut down after only 6 days. The reason? The guards, given power over their peers, exhibited alarmingly authoritarian behavior. The prisoners, stripped of their identities and subjected to psychological manipulation, became withdrawn and depressed. The lines between role-playing and reality blurred with frightening speed. The Stanford prison experiment revealed a chilling truth about human nature, that given the right circumstances, even ordinary individuals are capable of great cruelty. It stands as a stark reminder of the power of situational forces and the importance of ethical considerations in scientific research. Could you deliver a potentially lethal electric shock to a stranger? That's the unsettling question posed by the Milgram experiment conducted in the 1960s. Participants were told they were administering electric shocks to a learner in another room, increasing the voltage with each wrong answer. Unbeknownst to them, the learner was an actor and the shocks were fake. The real experiment lay in observing how far participants would go when instructed by an authority figure. The results were deeply disturbing. Despite their own distress, a significant majority of participants continued to administer shocks, even when they believed they were causing serious harm. The Milgram experiment ignited a firestorm of ethical debate, raising fundamental questions about our willingness to obey authority, even in the face of moral objections. It serves as a sobering reminder of the influence of external pressures on our actions and the importance of individual conscience. In the annals of psychology, few experiments are as ethically controversial as the Little Albert experiment. Conducted in 1920, it involved a 9-month-old infant known as Little Albert. The researchers sought to explore the nature of fear, specifically whether it could be conditioned. They presented Albert with a white rat, to which he showed no fear. However, each time Albert reached for the rat, the researchers would strike a steel bar, creating a loud, frightening noise. Over time, Albert began to associate the rat with the unpleasant noise, and he developed a fear not only of the rat, but of other furry objects as well. The Little Albert experiment, while providing insights into classical conditioning, has been widely criticized for its ethical implications. It serves as a stark reminder of the responsibility researchers have to protect their subjects, particularly when those subjects are children. Chapter 4. The Twin Study, a tale of two brothers in space. Imagine sending one identical twin to space while the other remains on Earth. This is precisely what NASA did in 2015 with astronaut Scott Kelly and his twin brother Mark. This groundbreaking study provided a unique opportunity to explore the effects of long-duration spaceflight on the human body at a genetic level. Scott spent a year aboard the International Space Station, while Mark served as a control subject on Earth. Researchers meticulously tracked their physiological and cognitive changes from bone density and gene expression to cognitive function and immune response. The findings offered valuable insights into the challenges and adaptations of space travel, paving the way for future human missions to Mars and beyond. Chapter 5. The Tuskegee Syphilis Study, a Stain on Medical History. The Tuskegee Syphilis Study is a chilling example of medical racism and ethical misconduct. In 1932, the U.S. Public Health Service began a study on untreated syphilis in black men. 600 black men from Macon County, Alabama were enrolled. They were told they were receiving free healthcare for bad blood. The men were never told they had syphilis, nor given treatment. The study continued for 40 years, causing needless suffering and death. It remains a dark chapter in medical history, highlighting the importance of informed consent. Chapter 6. The Russian Sleep Experiment. Fact or fiction? Shrouded in mystery and fueled by internet lore, the Russian sleep experiment is the stuff of nightmares. This alleged experiment, said to have been conducted by Soviet researchers in the 1940s, has become an urban legend. The story goes that 5 political prisoners were exposed to an experimental gas designed to eliminate the need for sleep. As the days turned into weeks, the subjects descended into madness, exhibiting paranoia, hallucinations, and self-mutilation. Despite its chilling narrative, there is no credible evidence to support the existence of the Russian sleep experiment. It is considered a creepypasta, a horror story circulated online, rather than a genuine historical event. Nevertheless, the legend persists, captivating our imaginations and reminding us of the dark side of scientific curiosity. Chapter 7. The Large Hadron Collider, Smashing Atoms to Understand Our Universe. Journey with us to the border of Switzerland and France, where a colossal machine lies beneath the Earth, the Large Hadron Collider, or LHC. This marvel of engineering is the world's largest and most powerful particle accelerator. Within its 17-mile-long ring, scientists accelerate beams of protons to near the speed of light, smashing them together in controlled collisions. These collisions release tremendous energy, recreating conditions that existed a fraction of a second after the Big Bang. By studying the debris from these collisions, scientists hope to unlock some of the universe's biggest mysteries, from the nature of dark matter and dark energy to the fundamental forces that govern our cosmos. The LHC is a testament to human ingenuity, a colossal microscope peering into the heart of matter itself. Chapter 8. The Philadelphia Experiment, A Ship Vanishes. In the realm of conspiracy theories, few are as enduring as the Philadelphia Experiment. This alleged military experiment, said to have taken place in 1943, has captivated the public imagination for decades. The story revolves around the USS Eldridge, a Navy destroyer claimed to have been rendered invisible and teleported from Philadelphia to Norfolk, Virginia and back. Accounts of the experiment vary wildly, with tales of sailors merging with the ship's hull, experiencing temporal anomalies and suffering horrific side effects. Despite its popularity, the Philadelphia experiment is widely regarded as a hoax, lacking any credible evidence to support its claims. Nevertheless, it remains a cultural phenomenon, a testament to our fascination with the unknown and the allure of government secrets. Chapter 9. The Awake Experiment. Riding the Waves of Plasma. Imagine surfing on a wave of plasma propelled to incredible speeds. That's the essence of the Awake Experiment at CERN, which stands for Advanced Wakefield Experiment. This groundbreaking project aims to revolutionize particle acceleration, potentially making it possible to build smaller and more powerful accelerators in the future. Traditional accelerators use radio waves to accelerate particles, but Awake employs a novel approach, using a wake field generated by a beam of protons traveling through plasma. This wake field acts like a giant wave, accelerating a trailing bunch of electrons to much higher energies over shorter distances. Awake represents a paradigm shift in accelerator technology, with the potential to unlock new frontiers in particle physics and beyond. Chapter 10. Biosphere II, A World Within Our World. In the Arizona desert, a gleaming glass structure stands as a testament to human ambition and the challenges of closed ecological systems. This is Biosphere II, a massive enclosed habitat designed to simulate Earth's biomes. In the early 1990s, 8 biospherians sealed themselves inside for 2 years, aiming to test whether humans could live and work sustainably in a closed environment. They grew their food, recycled their waste, and managed a miniature rainforest, ocean, and desert. While the experiment faced challenges, including oxygen depletion and crop failures, it provided valuable insights into the complexities of bioregenerative life support systems and the interconnectedness of Earth's ecosystems. Biosphere II serves as a stark reminder of our planet's fragility and the importance of preserving its delicate balance. Outrow the Unending Quest. From the depths of human psychology to the far reaches of space, these experiments challenge our assumptions and push ethical boundaries. They expand our understanding of the universe and ourselves. Some, like the Stanford prison and Tuskegee syphilis studies, serve as stark warnings about ethical considerations. Others, like the Large Hadron Collider, represent human ingenuity, driving us toward a deeper understanding of the cosmos. And then there are those shrouded in mystery like the Russian sleep experiment and the Philadelphia experiment, reminding us of the power of the unknown. Thank you for joining me on this exploration. If you enjoyed this journey, be sure to subscribe for more explorations. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep questioning and never lose your sense of wonder.